Meet Mohammad Zayd Shihab, a curious plus one computer science student from Kochi, Kerala, with a passion for languages and global connection. Striving to learn and master world languages, Zayd believes in the transformative power of communication to bridge cultures and inspire the next generation. A voracious reader and innovative thinker, he approaches life with a unique perspective, constantly exploring new ideas and paths. Join Zayd Shihab as he takes the stage to the present. The power of multilingualism in a globalized world. A compelling talk that highlights the importance of embracing diversity through languages.
Bonsoir, comment vas-tu? Je vais bien. Je m'appelle Zayd. I see many confused faces. And you're wondering, what is he speaking? Oh wait, isn't this supposed to be in English? Let me ask you something. If I had started to talk with my usual good morning everybody, would it have grabbed your attention the way this did right now? Probably not. Myself, Mohammad Zayd from Hillsinai Finishing School, and the language I just spoke is French, one of the most widely used languages across Europe, especially in France, Canada, Belgium, and Switzerland. It's a language of culture, diplomacy, and art. I'm sure many of us dream of studying abroad, landing better job opportunities, or simply exploring the new world. Imagine how much easier and richer those experiences would be if you could communicate in their language and truly understand their culture. While English is undoubtedly a global language, and I'm sure almost everybody here understands English, if not, you probably won't be sitting here right now. But it's no longer enough. In this interconnected era of technology and innovation, knowing only English is like owning a smartphone with only one app installed. Sure, you can do a lot, but you're still missing out on so much more. I want you all to step back and look at what multilinguality really means. Multilinguality is the ability to speak and understand multiple languages fluently. But let me tell you, it's more than just a skill, it's a superpower. Each language you learn is like a key that unlocks new ideas and opportunities. Big companies like Amazon and Tesla aren't looking for employees who are good at their jobs. They want individuals who can communicate and connect with different people from different countries and cultures. If you speak another language, you bring immense value, whether it's bridging communication gaps or making international deals. Let me introduce you to two of my friends, John and Adam. John's a close personal friend of mine. Both of them had pursued the same course of education and passed with identical grades. And John had got better job opportunities and now is living in a penthouse in Miami and is living the life I dream of. While Adam, on the other hand, unlike John, didn't get many job opportunities and have struggles at a local desk firm to make ends meet. When I inquired John on how had language learning helped him secure a bright future, he had quoted a quote which stays with me till now. You can teach a job easily, but you can't teach a language as easily. Now you might be wondering, why does multilingualism matter? Well, let me tell you. Multilingualism in the 21st century is a bridge that connects people across borders. Take India as an example, with over 19,500 languages being spoken in India. A little effort to learn Tamil or Hindi or any other regional language can open doors to understanding our own neighbors. It fosters mutual respect and cultural understanding between our country. But let's go beyond our borders. Let's go outside India. Imagine visiting a foreign country. Sure, you can use Google Translate, but can it capture the emotions, essence, and the nuance of a real conversation? Technology is helpful, but nothing beats human touch in communication. As we move forward in this 21st century, in India, while many schools offer language learning, but there's a lack of emphasis on foreign languages. Students should have the option to pick French, Spanish, or Mandarin, or any other foreign languages, as it not only helps in career benefits, but also in personal growth. But as we move forward in this globalized era, language plays an even bigger role, as it helps in empathy, cultural understanding, and fosters mutual respect. In the 21st century, as we move forward in 21st. So I encourage you all to rip a page from John's book. Don't stop at one language. Embrace the power of multilingualism. Because in the end, it's not a matter of speaking words. It's about and gateway to endless possibilities. Thank you.